This app is Trello. Um, it's an organization type app, and I think it's great for students and parents. So if maybe middle school aged, early high school, and they're having issues with due dates and things like that, or parents just don't know, I don't know when your homework's due, such is the topic around my house. You can create a homework due board, and then you have things to do, doing done. You can even put due dates of when they're going to be in. You can add a few cards like math. And then you might have English assignments. And then that way you get the details in there, homework, such and such is due, study for the final, so on and so forth. I think it's a great little organization app. You can move things around, and you can continue to building on a board, and you can share these. You can make it personal, you can make it private, you can add another list. I think it might be helpful. We don't have planners in the school anymore, and this might actually be a nice way for the kids to have a planner also. And I like it for organization. I think it's handy dandy because sometimes I write things down and then I lose the piece of paper that I wrote them on. And my husband's always telling myself and my son to put reminders on the phone. But then I feel that can get too chaotic because then I'm trying to read through what was supposed to happen what day. And it doesn't happen, doesn't work. But I like Trello. It's a procedural / policy. You can share it with families, but it covers ISTE for educational learners, 5B and 2D.